What's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. Right now, Conde is offering amazing deals on all in-stock SubliLinen products. That's right, deals on SubliLinen products. Check it out. Conde is offering 10% off last column pricing. That's right, you heard me correct. 10% off last column pricing. Want more information on these SubliLinen deals? Give Conde a call at 1-800-826-6332 or check out Conde.com. You're gonna wanna hurry because the sale is going to end June 9th, 2023. With Sublimation, SubliLinen, and Conde, your success will surely soar. Give Conde a call today, 1-800-826-6332.